Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So in this quick tutorial, I just want to show you how to implement posterizeTime expression in After Effects. You guys may be familiar with posterizeTime effect, which is exactly the same things, but today we're gonna talk about posterizeTime expression. Let's do that. Let's start with a basic example. So let's open a new composition, 1920 by 1080. Frame rate is gonna be 30. Bring yellow backgrounds here, video cater, logo. Just select the logo layer and add some basic animation. 0. Okay, let's add ease to the keyframes. Alright, so what posterizeTime expression does is allow you to set the frame rate for a property to be lower than the frame rate of the composition. Let's say 10 frames per second for this animation. The comp is 30 frames per second. So let's do that by expression. posterizeTime. Let's start with the lower number, 2, and just add the value. So you see the difference, right? The animations plays 2 frames per second. Let's dial it up to 10 and see the result. With more frames, if we just put 30, it is exactly the smooth animation we already have. Let's go further and add more to this expression. Let's say I want to hold 12 frames, and each 12 frame we see some updates in the property. Let me show you. I'm going to make a variable called hold, put 12 frame for that. I want every 12 frame we see the updates inside posterizeTime. So what I'm gonna do is instead of 30, I put hold and we see nothings. There is no error, but we don't see animation here. Why? Because After Effects understand time by seconds, not by frames. So the way to solve this problem is add one more function called framesToTime, and then put hold inside the parentheses. Something's wrong here. Let me see. Oh, frames. There you go. So as you see, the expression updates the property every 12 frames. So it's no longer seconds, it's frames. So we can do that like every 40 frames. If we extend the animation, we can see more. To recap what we have done here so far, After Effects doesn't recognize time by frames unless we define it. The way we can define it in expression is framesToTime function. I put this line of code in description below in case you wanted to give it a shot. I think that's it for today's tutorial. Hope you guys like it. Leave me any comments and make sure to subscribe to my channels for the future videos. Thank you.